Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on a boat we have listed here. It's a 2016 Carolina Skiff 238 DLV. This is our deep V skiff here. Standing up in the bow of this boat, and there's a ton of deck space. Nice cushions on the bow here, so it's comfortable to lounge out if you are just going to run to the sandbar for the day. There's also storage up underneath there. You have your anchor locker up in the front. Some bow rails to grab onto for safety. Looking back at our console, got a seat in the front of the console here, and there's a well underneath this. Got some rod storage in the sides, bimini top, nice stainless steel grab rail to grab onto while running. Now behind the helm here, we do have a Garmin that's going to go with this boat. This boat only has about 83 hours right now. Got all your switching, your gauges, your helm, your engine controls. So your helm seat here, and there is the console and helm seat lean post cover here. There's two covers there. You also have a boot for the bimini top. Again, back here you get some storage, some access to your bilge areas, batteries, battery switches back here, and then some flip up seats too as well. And then right here you do have a live well. Back of this boat you have 150 horsepower Evinrude. White engine matches the boat, and it is on a trailer, so that is included as well. If you have a question about this boat, please feel free to give me a call, 609-207-3325. Thank you.